The Mutadon is a terrifying hybrid dinosaur of a Pteranodon and a Velociraptor, and probably some other classified specimens, that appears in Jurassic World Rebirth. In this video, you will see how to make one. Here is my LEGO Mutadon. This thing is very poseable. You can spread out for a wide wingspan, and its wings can even fold up 2 different ways. Like this, with the joint there, make it look like the wing is attached to the arm, or if you wanted it fold up even more, you flip it upside down, you can pull the arm down, leaving just a bit of the hand peeking out through the bottom. In this video, you will see how to build this thing. Take a raptor. I'm using a blue one because I have a pair of blue wings. You can use whatever you want. Pull the arms out. And put Technic pins in their place. I'm not sure what these are called. Put one of them and upside down into the top hole. Then, get these clips, put them on facing outwards. Then take these pieces, put them on either side. I only have one. If you have more than one, it's even better because I only have one. Makes it a lot more sturdy to have those. Take your hands back, put them on either side in the bottom hole. They look a bit strange right now, but they look better when you have the wings on. Then take your wings, put them on with the inside of the wings, or the underside facing outwards. Now you're done. That's it from the side. If you want it more folded up, you can do the other thing I told you about at the beginning of the video. This, put the arms down, flip those pieces upside down. These ones would be right ways up. Arms down. Now they really fold up. Then put in a flying position. Take the wings. There you have it. There's your finished Mutadon. There'll be more other really cool videos coming soon, so I would please like to ask you to subscribe